In this video, we are going to see the chemical test for the organic acids. So, organic acid usually are very weak in nature, as not like mineral acid. It will not readily react, but organic acid will respond for some certain reactions. And here we are going to check the chemical test for organic acids. Here I have taken some amount of the organic acid. I am going to introduce blue litmus paper inside this. The vapors of the acid given turns the blue litmus red, right? Can you able to find here? The blue litmus turned completely to red in color. So this shows that the group present here is acidic group. It can able to release H plus ion. Now I am going to do a chemical test for the presence of carboxylic group. The presence of carboxylic group in my given organic compound. Check here. I am going to add the solution of sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate in the term. Okay. So I have taken some amount of sodium hydrogen carbonate, and this is my organic group which is containing carboxylic acid. I am adding a few drops of so the brisk effervescence is due to the release of carbon dioxide. So another type of confirmatory test we are having for acid group, as well as on the other hand for alcoholic group, that will be given in the description. That is esterification test. The esterification test, how we have to do? We have to take a small amount of the organic compound which is given to us, which contains carboxylic acid. If we want to confirm that the carboxylic acid containing group is added with concentrated sulfuric acid and then slightly heated, and some amount of alcohol, aliphatic alcohol is added, and then when it is heated, we can able to influence a fruity smell, which is the formation of ester. So this test is confirmation for the carboxylic acid group.